I've been on YouTube for a while, and I've seen videos like being auto dubbed and having like audio and visual enhancements, and that people are complaining about it in the comments. And I've seen videos complaining about it, how it's not being able to be controlled. But I found something in the settings, so I'm just going to go over here in settings, like you have general and channel settings. You have the basic info and you have the advanced settings. And if you scroll down, you have video quality enhancements. That I believe that is what people are talking about, where they're talking about AI enhancing visuals or whatever, and that it's kind of ruining certain video effects that people put a lot of effort in. And audio quality, like, I think that if you turn this off, you can, I think that's going to make that not happen, as far as I'm aware. And there's also, I believe, like, automatic dubbing. Like, that's very annoying in my opinion. Like, I at some point was searching, like, how to learn a language video, and it was auto-dubbed. A, a video on how to learn a language was auto-dubbed into English. I cannot understand it, but anyways, that's in your settings, like in your studio, in YouTube Studio, your channel in settings. You can go from general to channel advanced settings, scroll down, and find automatic dubbing and video quality enhancements. You can, I don't know if you can turn it off if it is enabled. I'm not going to enable it because I don't want that. I want original. Anyway, I found this and I was like, I'm excited, I want to share this because some people are getting annoyed by this. And maybe some content creators are like, ooh, that's actually some good info. So like, yeah, thanks for watching now. That's been a really short video, but that's all I wanted to share. For now, thanks for watching, and bye. Subscribe if you want to see more of me.